I invite on stage Nirmala Shankaran, co-founder CEO Heymath, Vaidishwaran, CEO Manipal Global Education Services, and Shankar Muralidharan, Director Marketing, Watson Business School. Nirmala, alongside her husband Harsh Rajan, founded Heymath in 2000 with the objective of creating a flat curriculum for math education which could reach a global audience. Heymath featured on NASSCOM's 100 Most Innovative Startups in 2006 and received similar recognition as one of the top 25 innovators from Microsoft in 2007. Today, Nirmala and her team are focused on continuing to scale up Heymath globally. Vaidishwaran, as CEO Manipal Global Education Services, has been responsible for growing the Manipal education brand to countries such as Malaysia, the Middle East, and Africa. A believer in technology being the right enabler, he has been involved in creating EduNext, a next-gen learning system designed to transform the way we learn. Previously, Vaidishwaran led Infosys BPO for over 6 years. Shankar Muralidharan, our final panelist, is Director Marketing of Watson Business School, one of the new guys based in Hyderabad. His primary goal is to take this business school into the top 50 league in the fastest way possible. Thank you to all three of our eminent panelists for being here with us this afternoon and helping us understand the process of building a fantastic brand in education. So we'll get started with Nirmala. I'd like to begin by asking you, you've spent the last 15 years building Heymath as a very interesting brand. So are there any pointers that you can share with young entrepreneurs in terms of understanding the process of building a brand in education and what sort of an investment it takes in terms of your energies, in terms of everything?
So what I tried to do was to reflect on the last 15 years and try and answer these questions to myself as to what are our brand truths at Heymath. And for that, I decided to go back to the purpose and the mission of the company, which we articulated in the year 2000. We call it supporting the work of teachers. This is one mission statement that we have had an unconditional commitment to this mission statement. We have not veered away from it at all. And every single member in the team, there is a complete alignment to this purpose. And we also share the same values with our customers. And going forward, we're going to strengthen the expression of this even more in taking it to a newer level, which we are articulating as no teacher left behind. You all might have heard about no child left behind in the US, but we feel that no teacher left behind is even more important. So the first brand truth that came out of connecting what we do to our purpose is that we are enablers. The number one thing about our brand is we are enablers. So it is not what we do, but what we help the teacher achieve, what we help the student achieve. So our program, empowers the teacher. It makes the teacher's life easier. They save time. They're more productive. And they're able to conduct mathematics in a very inclusive way in the classroom. For kids, I think what we do is we remove the fear of math. We spark the interest in mathematics. And we believe that every child can taste success. And we have been proving this around the globe for the last 15 years. So that's the first brand truth, that we're enablers. The second brand truth is that we don't sell products, we sell Lego. And by that, what I mean is that we may own the code of the brand, but the way the customers assemble it is very unique to the context they're in. So this is something that we have seen time and again, that the program, you need to understand the context in which you create the solution. So what a school system may need in Colombia is very different from what they need in Singapore, very different from what they need in India. So it is very important because education is a very socio-cultural, subject. So you need to understand the context in which you operate. And what we do is we provide the building blocks and the customers assemble the solution themselves. And we are able to do this because we are intensely collaborative with the customers. And we co-opt them into our product development process. And in so doing, we build very trusted and long-term relationships. The next thing is we don't run a company, we run a campus. So if you walk into the Heymath office, it would seem very much like a campus. It's very collegiate, very non-hierarchical. There's no concept of boss and subordinate and all these old world values. It's a very, very lively, thriving campus. where we have a lot of, inclusivity. So it's a very diverse, talented team. Even generationally, we are very inclusive. We have interns as young as 14, 15 working with us. We also have 80-year-old retired teachers working with us. So it's generationally inclusive, gender inclusive, culturally inclusive, very, very vibrant atmosphere, much like a campus. The next brand truth is that the customers experience us inside out. So it is not like in a traditional company where the front-end staff, there's a sales and marketing people, those are the only people who interact with the customer. We actually do it the other way around. The customer is actually very much part of our process. They come and experience the passion and the talent in the team. These are actually photographs of customers actually recording their own voices into the lessons, and they themselves are artists. So if they want to, if you want to explain a particular concept in math, we ask the customer to come in and, take a shot at digital drawing. So they draw the lessons, they add the voice into the lessons. It becomes very much their own. And we find that this is an extremely effective way of dealing with the customers because education is a long-term game and the engagement with the customer is for a very, very long period of time. So having this kind of an immersive user experience, really helps us to build that trust, and also they experience what all goes into creating a product like this. It requires a lot of intensity and passion and huge amount of collaboration within the team. So that is the fourth brand truth. And the last brand truth is that 15 years on, we still behave and function very much like a startup. I put this picture on because when we decided to co-found Heymath in 2000, the first thing I did was went to Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe and did a bungee jump. Because we knew that this is going to be a crazy life ahead. We just didn't know how crazy it would be. So the best thing would be to do this bungee jump, and that will itself do a Control-Alt-Delete on the brain and reset your mindset completely. So, but I don't think anything has changed. Even 15 years on, if you walk into our company, you'll find the same level of energy, the same level of passion. And also, we are very proud of our company culture, that we've retained it as a startup. There's a lot of autonomy that we have in the company. People are very self-directed. There's no great monitoring about what people do. So I think all that intrinsic motivation is what keeps us going, and we're still able to respond in a very, very nimble and fast and dynamic way with all these technology disruptions that have been happening. I think maintaining this startup culture is one of our most important brand truths.